In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Then navigate to the Personalization section and open the Colors tab. Under the panel labeled Choose Your Mode, click on the drop-down menu. From the list, select Dark. Dark mode will now be activated. For more customization, click on the drop-down menu again and select a custom. In the settings block that appears, you can individually set dark or light mode for apps and Windows panels. Thank you for watching.